In 25, Nerds Gummy Clusters have become the undisputed champion of the candy world, dominating sales charts and social media feeds across the globe. With over 2 billion views on social platforms and a staggering 95% positive review rate, these sweet treats have revolutionized the candy industry. Each piece consists of a soft, chewy gummy center completely enveloped in crunchy, tangy Nerds candy, creating a unique dual texture experience that fans can't resist. The revolutionary manufacturing process, perfected in 2024, ensures each cluster has the perfect ratio of gummy to Nerds coating. Creative food enthusiasts have transformed these clusters into trending dessert toppings, making them a versatile addition to the culinary world. Global sales have skyrocketed 300% since their initial release, making them the fastest growing candy product in history. Food scientists praise the candy's innovative texture combination, which triggers multiple pleasure centers in the brain simultaneously. Available in 6 unique flavor combinations, including the new Tropical Blast and Berry Fusion varieties launched in 2025. Market research shows an unprecedented 85% repurchase rate, with consumers across all age groups rating them as their preferred candy choice. As we move through 2020, Nerds Gummy Clusters have secured their place not just as a trending candy, but as a modern confectionery classic.